This is keto heaven. 60% fat, 40% protein, 0 carbohydrate. Eggs are keto heaven. 40% protein is more than what you want on a keto diet, but you can add your fat in different ways. And it's really easy to get the ratio you need to lose weight. 75% of your calories coming from fats. I boil 1 to 1.5 dozen eggs every week, label them hard boiled. I know how to do it. Many of you don't. All right, guys, follow these simple instructions. I'm not gonna write them down. I think you can remember it. Take a pot, add all of your eggs. This broken egg. Take the eggs, put them in a pot. Water in pot. Eggs in pot. Cold water in pot. And now we have to turn on to high and cover. Once the eggs first begin to boil, as soon as, maybe even right before they begin to boil, set your timer on 10 minutes. And right at 10 minutes, we're gonna take the eggs off. I don't know why this works, but it works, guys. And the problem, and when I say works, anyone can boil an egg, but when I peel these eggs, it's not gonna stick. It'll be a mess. Now watch, it's gonna completely stick and be a mess. Nothing slower than waiting for water to boil. Oh, found an egg. I set an egg over here and there's one more. Now watch that egg be the one egg that does not peel the correct way. We've got a full-on egg boil. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Soon as they start to boil. Now once they're done boiling, we're gonna put them on ice water, cool off in cold water, then put ice on the water, get the eggs ice cold. Now that is a perfectly hard-boiled egg that peeled with ease.